everyone. In today's topic, we'll learn about laws of logarithms. But if you have any confusions, go for first video of log. Then come for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. And comment below if you get any problems with this. Let's get started.
If it's given log A plus log B, it will be log AB. So two logs we can combine into one log by putting them together. So if two logs are in addition, we can keep them together in multiply. Log A minus log B. If the two logs are in subtraction, then we can represent them as a fraction, log A over B. And if you have n log A, then this n will go as a power of A. So you can represent n log A equal to log A to the power n. So we will use these three logs for our questions. The laws are same, but there is a little difference. You have base also. So when you apply the law, the base should be the same. So C represents as base. So same law with only base. So if you have base 10, the all logs should be having the same base as 10. If it's base 2, so the base should be 2. You can't use the law for different bases of different logs. Let's do some practice. So in first question, log 5 plus log 3. Here we can say that we can use the laws of logarithm in which both the log terms has the same base. If it's not mentioned, it means it's 10. So you can say log 5 times 3. If the two numbers are adding together in log, then it will be in multiplication. So log 15 is the answer. Let's do another question. Question number 2. Log base 3 24 minus log base 3 8. So you can say the base is same, but they are in minus. So we will apply the laws of logarithms. So it will say 24 over 8. So your answer would be log 3 and 3. So the log 3 will be 1. Question number 3. Log base 2 5. Now let's start this. Log base 2 5 minus 1. We need to make it as log also. So it will be log base 2 5 minus log base 2, and 1 can be written as to the power 1. So 1 can be expressed as log base 2 to the power 1. So now these are same. So it will say 5 over 2. So that's my answer. Let's do one more question. 2 log 7 minus 3 log 2. Here we can apply the power law of log. So it will be log 7 to the power 2 minus log 2 to the power 3. So now they are in minus. So you can say log, common log, 7 sevens are 49 over 8. So that's your answer. Question number 5. 2 log 3 plus 3. So we can say log 3 square plus 3. You can change it into base 10 number. So you can say base 10, it will be 10 cube. So this can be expressed as this. So now same base. So it's log 9 times 1000. So the answer would be log 9000. Question number 6. Log 8 over log 4. So we can say log 8 would be 2 to the power 3 over log 2 square. So powers come ahead. So it will be 3 log 2 over 2 log 2. And log 2 and log 2 can be cancelled. The answer would be 3 over 2. Let's do one more example. Show that log 1 over 9 equal to minus 2 log 3. We will use all the laws and the rules of log until now we learned. So now we have two sides, left hand side and right hand side. We can start from any side. Let's start from left hand side. If we start from left hand side, log 1 over 9. We can use log 1 over 9, we can say 3 to the power minus 2. Now this minus 2 will come in front, so it will become log 3. This is our answer. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So it's hence proved. So same again, show that log 500 equal to 3 minus log 2. In this case, we have two sides. So let's try with the right hand side first. 3 minus log 2. Now we know that we need to change 3 as the same base. That means log 10. So you can say it's 10 to the power 3 minus log 2. So this will be, if you connect log together, so it will be 1000 divided by 2. So it will be log 500. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Let's do one more type of question. The question says, if log base Tm equal to 1.29 and log base T n square equal to 1.72, then find number one, log base Tn. So let's start with log base Tn square. So we know the power can come in front. So it will be 2 log base Tn equal to 1.72. And we need to get log Tn. So we will divide 1.72 by 2 to get log base Tn. It will be 1.72 divided by 2. So if you divide it, you will get 0.86. Now B part says log base Tmn. Okay. So we know that log base Tm plus log base Tn can be written as log base Tmn. So we will add both log Tm plus log Tn values. So we can say log Tmn will be equal to log Tm plus log Tn. So let's put the values. Log Tm is 1.29 plus log Tn, we just calculated it's 0.86. So if you add them, it will be 2.15. So log Tmn will be 2.15. Third part, it says log T n square over square root of n. So for that, first let's use our law. It's log T n square minus log T root n. So if you know log T n square value, we know it's 1.72. Log T square root m we don't have. So we need to get the value of log T square root m. So now log T root m, we can say log T m to the power half, and we apply the law again, so it will become half log Tm. So now we know that log Tm is given in the question, that's 1.29. So you can replace it, 1.29. So when you solve it, you will get 1.075. Logarithmic equations. In this, our first question is y equal to a square b. We need to change this into a logarithmic equations. So let's apply log on both sides. So it will be log y equal to log a square b. Now we will apply log rules. So it will say log a square plus log b. Now we can say log y equal to 2 log a plus log b. So now it's a logarithmic form. Now let's do question number 2. It says y equal to a over b cube. So here let's put y both sides. Log y equal to log a over b cube. So let's apply laws. So log a minus log b cube. So it will be log y equal to log a minus 3 log b. The power come in front, the law of logarithm. Let's do one more. P equal to 20 over square root n. So now applying log both sides. So log p equal to log 20 over root n. So it will be log p equal to log 20 minus log root n, because the law of logarithm. When they are in divide, we can put them in minus. So it will be log p equal to log 20. It will be log n to the power half. So the answer would be log p equal to log 20 minus half log n. Now let's do some questions, them without logarithms. Log a equal to log b plus 2 log c. We know that this one we can apply the log rule, and then later we can apply for the together all. So it will be log b plus log c square. Now we can apply another rule of log. It says log bc square. Both sides having log cancel, so a will be bc square. Now next one is log base 2m equal to 3 log 2a minus 2. So now we know that to apply the log laws, we know we need to change 2 as log base 2. So we can write this as 2 to the power 2. So it will be log base 2m equal to 3 log base 2 a, we can say log base 2 a cube minus log base 2 2 square. So now we can club them by using the laws. So it will be a cube over 4. Now both sides cancel, so it will be m equal to a cube over 4.
In the next video, we will learn about natural logarithms. See you there. Bye bye.